following exercise video is for information purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Before starting any new exercise program, physical activity, or fitness routine, please consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional.
Hi there, welcome to Our Better You. I'm your fitness trainer, Dominic Rainford, and today we're focusing on upper body. Now our upper body muscles are our chest, shoulders, arms, and our back. We're about to start the workout, but before we need to warm up. We're starting with 10 jumping jacks. Then we transition into 10 high knees and 10 butt kicks. Jumping jacks, high knees, butt kicks, high knees, jumping jacks. Our first exercise, be using water bottles. Now, these are things that we can find at home. So let's start with this. We're gonna do 10 bicep curls. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's turn this side so you can get a better 7, 8, 9, 10. Go straight into tricep kickbacks with the same water bottle. All we need to do, bend over like this and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also do it like this as well. Tricep extensions, 3 sets of 10. Just like this. Find an edge, hang off like this, and do what we call tricep dips. This is what we call bench dips or chair dips. We're gonna work the shoulders now. We can do lateral raises, the same bottles, lighter versions. We can do front raises, shoulder. We can bend over and do bent over lateral raises, just like this. And lastly, we can use them and do shoulder press. For 10, everything, 3 sets, 10 reps, just like that. Here now, we'll be doing push-ups. We have the 3 different levels of push-ups: beginners, intermediate, advanced. Along with, we'll be also seeing some lower body and lower back and upper back exercises, all right? So here we go. Push-ups, beginners push-ups, which is done on the knees, and we go down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up. Intermediates, right, and advanced. Those are advanced push-ups. All right, so from there now we go straight into lower back. Lower back exercises. We have, we call this a scorpion kick. It's also some mobility, it's an exercise, and it's also a stretching exercise to strengthen the lower back, just like this, right? Upper back exercises. You can either bring your feet up and bring it back over your head. lactose intolerant, what it means and how we can get around it. All right, so when you hear typical Jamaicans, or Jamaicans in general, say that we're lactose intolerant, meaning that we're not able to digest milk anymore. So it tends to come out quickly in the form of running belly, as some would call it. That means that we're not able to digest it. So alternatives for that would be almond milk, oat milk. They're non-dairy. Anything that's non-dairy will help us to get the required protein and also calcium from what we'd get normally from regular cow's milk. Which stretches the bicep, forearms. So it looks like this, to bring it back and keep the hands straight. Pull all the way around. And we're gonna pull it all the way back so we can get the upper part of the back, the shoulders and the tricep. And look directly behind you just like this. From there, what we do to one side, we do to the other. Pull the left and push. Circles, 3, 1, 2, pull it to the right, pull it down. Opposite. Opposite. All right, here concludes our upper body focus exercises today. Remember, these exercises will help to tone the chest, the arms, the back, until we get stronger, that we can get ourselves into a gym. Because that's always the end game. So until then, stay fit.